Can you apply to schools in Portugal and Lithuania with HND degree? Yes and no. This is a question I received from someone this morning, and this person wants to know if it is possible for him to apply to schools in these countries with HND degrees. Okay, now I will tell you guys if it is possible or not to apply to schools in this country with HND degrees. Secondly, I will give you guys some options which you can go for. Now let's begin without wasting much time. Can you apply to schools in Portugal with a class degree? Yes, it is very possible. However, if you want to go for the big schools in Portugal, it is not possible. Okay, I mean it might be possible, but the chances are very low right now. Okay, just so you know, schools in Portugal are currently open for admissions. Most schools in Portugal, and I talked about this country before. Okay, go back and watch those videos if you haven't done so. Now, first thing that you must know is that Portugal doesn't accept direct bachelor's admissions with HND degree. Okay, it is very rare unless it is an advanced entry. Okay, now there are some schools in Portugal which will accept you with HND degrees, while some schools might consider you, even though it is not advisable right now. So let's look at the schools in Portugal which will accept you with HND degrees. Okay, these schools I'll mention shortly may accept you with HND degree directly or through an offer bridging route. Okay, and they may require some technical skills or experience. So please take all this into consideration. Now, if you want to study in Portugal this year 2026, please target polytechnic institutions. Okay, these schools will likely accept you with HND degrees. Now, why does it say so? If you go for the polytechnic institutes, these are your best options of getting an admissions with the HND degrees. Okay, besides, these schools focus more on practical education. Okay, so they are more of practical than other schools in Portugal. Now, the first school on my list here is Polytechnic Institute of Porto. Second school is Polytechnic Institute of Coimbra. Is it Coimbra? Okay, yeah. Third school is Polytechnic Institute of Leiria. Okay, and there are so many other schools. Even the University Institute of Art, Design and Entrepreneurship. Okay, these schools I've mentioned right here will likely accept you with HND degrees. Besides, they have a higher chance of admissions rate. Okay, so please take all that into consideration. Portugal is more flexible when it comes to HND degrees and third class degrees than many countries in Europe. So many countries. So please, if you have the chance to apply to schools in Portugal with an HND degree or third class degree, please don't miss it out. Grab it as soon as you can, because things are changing very fast in Europe. Maybe next year, these schools or this country might not accept students with HND degree or third class degrees. Okay, that is why it is very important to grab this opportunity as soon as you can. Okay? Most of the bachelor's programs are taught in Portuguese language. Okay, majority of them, I would say about 80% on 100 are taught in the Portuguese language. Meanwhile, master's programs will give you more English taught courses than bachelor's. Okay, so please take that into consideration. You might need the B1 or the B2 in Portuguese. Okay, what is the proof of funds to Portugal? As of right now, from what I know, right, the proof of funds to Portugal for students who want to move into Portugal is between 9,800 euros to 10,500 euros. Okay, between that range. I'm not quite sure of the number right now because I haven't yet checked, but I know that it's between 9,800 euros to 10,500 euros. So please do your own research and tell us down below if you know the exact amount of proof of funds to move to Portugal in 2026. Now, documents you might require if you want to go study in Portugal. Some documents, okay. First is that you must provide your academic transcript plus a HND degree certificate. Next is that you need a statement of purpose, your CV, your passport, your proof of funds, and so many other documents. Okay, just so you know, you must legalize your documents to move to Portugal. Now let's talk about Lithuania. This country is more stricter than Portugal. Okay, most schools in this country won't accept you to apply to them with third class degree or HND degrees. Okay, so if your goal is to go to Lithuania and study there with HND degree, it might not be possible. Okay? So many countries in Europe right now don't accept HND degrees. So please know that. However, from what I know, right, there is still a way around this. Okay, because someone told me that he knows someone who applied to schools in this country with HND degree. So it means that there is still a way around this. But if you ask me, this is not the most advisable. Okay, Better go for schools in Portugal because most schools there will openly accept you with HND degrees. So, what options do you have if you want to go study in most schools in Europe with HND degrees? Some countries will allow you to apply to schools in them with HND degrees. Okay, I have talked about this before in one of my videos. Okay, that was like 2 months ago. Please go back and watch those videos if you haven't done so. Right. So we have countries like UK, Ireland, even Italy. These countries will accept with HND degrees. Okay, some schools in this country are still open for admissions right now. So please do your own research and find out schools in these countries which are still open for admissions right now. I believe I've made a video about some countries, some schools in these countries which are still open for admissions. Okay, um, go back to my page and watch that video if you haven't done so. Now for Italy, for those who want to apply for English taught programs in this country, there is one school which I highly recommend for you guys. Okay, this school is the University of Milan. This school has 24 English taught programs which are still open for admissions right now, and this school deadline ends on April 30th, 2026. Okay, now someone asked me about the proof of funds to Ireland. Now, for those of you who don't know, first of all, the proof of funds to Ireland is about 10,000 euros. In fact, it is 10,000 euros. Okay, now, this country is very, very expensive. Expect to pay the tuition fees of about 8,000 euros and above. Okay, even though this amount is not as expensive as some countries in Europe, I'm talking about countries like the Netherlands. Okay, sorry guys, my phone went off. Thanks again for the question. Okay, if you have more questions, please tell me down below in the comment section. So, see you guys in my next upload. Bye.